Hi, it's Karen, the Weekend Craftaholic, and I have got a little share with you today. I recently joined a Facebook group, Cricketers in Australia. So this is people who use the Cricut machine in Australia. From what I can gather, every year they would normally meet and do what they call a craftathon. Because of COVID, they're actually doing a virtual craftathon this year rather than being in Melbourne in Victoria. So I was able to be part of it. So what I wanted to share with you today is a little bit of background around the craftathon. And then once that's happened in the middle of November, I'll share with you some of the creations and my thoughts on it as well. So the craftathon, as I said, was organised by a Facebook group. Once you've actually signed up and ordered the pack, that's effectively your ticket then to a private group. So if you are looking to search for this, please don't, because it's closed. It is only open to Australians, but I obviously wanted to share the experience with you regardless. So you can see here I've got this nice little parcel. Now this was an absolute bargain. This was $100 Australian dollars, and I presume Craft Online is sponsoring this because the amount of goodies that you get in this box is absolutely huge. I have had a quick look in the box just to make sure everything was here, but you can see this is the bundle as part of the craftathon, and we'll be making lots of projects with these supplies all together virtually online on Facebook. So great thing with this as well is there was a 10% off offer as well for any more Cricut accessories. I've obviously missed that date. I haven't been around the last few weeks. Very quickly say before I dive into this was not part of the craftathon. This was some chipboard that I ordered whilst I was ordering from Craft Online, just for jigsaws and things. So that's not part of it, but it is in my pack. But this is everything you get. Now let me do a quick count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 11 items for $100. It's a bargain. Just like with the mystery boxes, we've also got a Cricut Cutie as well. So this was a bit of an added bonus, I would say. I absolutely love these. I know they don't really do much. It's decoration. I know some people do collect them. And yes, this is my second one. Look how cute he is. Let's get it out of the packaging for you. And that's the one that I got in my mystery box. If you saw that video, you'll see my unboxing of that. Okay, so we'll just go straight in order from this. So of course you can see I've got these Cricut Infusable ink pens. These are the basic ones, not the fine or thick 0.4, which I think is quite fine, to be honest. So it'll be interesting to see what we do with these. Some good basic colours in that. Also got the tote bag. Now I did get one of these with my mystery box last November, so depending on how we go using this, it might inspire me to make something with the other one that I'm still hoarding. I've been tempted to buy this a few times as well, so I'm glad it's in the pack. This is the heat resistant tape as well for the mat, so it'd be good to use this and just see how it squares up with some of the other tapes that I've been using. I've not looked at this in any detail. Oh, actually, there's some more underneath. So there's actually 12 items for $100. So this is Infusable ink transfer sheets as well. I absolutely love this pattern and this green effect. Be interested to see whether we're actually going to make the little cactus that's on there, because I'm sure that's the Infusable ink they've used for that. And this is iron-on, and let's see the description, Bejeweled Sampler. So it looks like there's 4 sheets in here, and we've got the red, the royal blue, the violet and the emerald green. So I haven't actually used any iron-on foil before, so that again will be interesting to see how that goes. This is a removable matte premium vinyl. This is again a rainbow sampler with 6 sheets this time. So I really love getting 12 by 12 sheets rather than a roll off, so these are going to be quite easy to store as well in my stash. We've got Stencil Vinyl. Again, this will be absolutely great. One roll, it's 12 inch by 48, so effectively 4 sheets of 12 by 12, and I know I'm going to be able to use that in my paper crafting as well as during the craftathon. Some more adhesive foil. This is matte Seaside Sampler, 5 sheets in this one. And look at that, I absolutely love the colour of that teal. This time, yes, it's matte, it's teal, coral pink, dark silver, pink champagne. So lots of foiling is going to be happening. Now let me just see what the difference is between these. Oh yeah, that was the iron-on foil and this is the adhesive foil. We have been told to order some blanks as well, like pieces of wood, circles, that kind of thing. So we're all prepared for the day. And then from what I can gather as well, there'll be a bit of prep beforehand. So closer to the date, we'll be given instructions on the designs to get from the design studio, as well as getting it all cut and prepped in advance as well. It's just some basic transfer tape, again 12 by 48 inches, so effectively 4 sheets of that. I do already have some of that from my other mystery box, and I will be honest, I don't often use Cricut transfer tape. I just find that it's too strong. I know everyone talks about, you know, putting something over it to make it less sticky, but to me that kind of defeats the purpose of buying that. I may as well buy a cheaper version. And this one looks really interesting. This is a premium vinyl mixed mosaic. So lies flat, easy to weed, bold colours. There's 6 different colours in this. Again, it's another sampler kit. I love sampler kits. Does it tell me the actual colours? Yeah, we've got lemongrass, tangerine, patty pink, huckleberry, and gunmetal silver. It looks really interesting. We're going to make something with that. And then the final sampler is felt, and again I've been tempted to buy this one. It's been on special in Spotlight, so I'm glad this is included. I absolutely love felt, not just for my Cricut stuff but in general with my sewing. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 12 by 12 pieces of felt in that. So this is a very quick video. I haven't had time to prepare anything. I've actually been absent for quite some time. My son's not been very well, so luckily I did have quite a few videos already scheduled in advance. But he is back home now, but whilst he is still unwell, I will be going back to just 1 video a week, just until he is all on the mend. If you're a regular subscriber, you'll know I've started doing 2 videos a week, as we'll try and get a bit more present on Instagram over the coming weeks. Can't make any promises, because of course family comes first. But I did want to show you this box because it was an absolute bag. So if there are any Australian viewers out there and you've got a Cricut machine, join the Cricut for Australians Facebook group, and then at least you'll be notified of this if and when they do it again next year. So that's my little show for today. I hope you all have a safe crafting weekend, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.